It was open box delivery from Amazon. Hello guys, in today's video we are gonna unbox OnePlus Nord CE5 5G Indian variant. It has 7100 mAh battery and MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Apex processor. I bought it for 24,499 rupees and it is 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. It comes with a soft silicone case. It is good quality silicone case. You will find 80-watt super wok charger, a type C cable and SIM ejector pin in the box. It's type A to type C cable. It's 80-watt super wok charger. So here is the phone. It's flat screen phone and it's quite good looking, I must say. It also has IR blaster. You can control your TV, AC, anything with it. You need to be careful while inserting the SIM ejector pin as there's also mic hole there. Do not put the SIM ejector pin in mic hole. It has hybrid SIM slot. Either you can put two SIM or one SIM and memory card. You can insert up to 1 terabyte of memory card. You need to be careful while inserting the SIM ejector pin as there's also mic hole there. Do not put the SIM ejector pin in mic hole. The soft silicone case that came with the phone is of good quality. The phone weighs 201 gram and with cover its weight is 221 gram. There are some bloatwares in the phone, but you can just install it or disable it.